So good morning from Scotland again. This is day 2 of the ride. So today we've got 150k and around 2,000 metres again. No like a bar, anything like that. I think there might be one biggish climb, maybe about 300 metre climb, but nothing like that yesterday. And this is just like, it's so still. We got up about 5 to leave at 6, so yeah, it's so peaceful and so calm. Look at this. It is nice. So we're about 50k in. Lovely Sarah's just stopped off the motorhome for us. Just going to get some bug spray because there was a lot of mosquitoes. But yeah, this is a beautiful lake and it's dry and it's not windy. We've had a bit of a tailwind as well, which is really nice. So yeah, it is good. Shielding me while I have a little tinkle. You're good friends.
You're just making videos back there, come on. What a spot. I feel like I'm getting in the way of all you.
No, I want you in him. And this is our lovely little lunch stop. Good find, Sarah. Good little stop, this. What are you two doing?
We're trying to get a photo.
Can we shake it?
That's alright.
Speak. Don't want your fellow mates in there then. Just you two. We'll get our own, Richard. We'll get our own, Richard. We'll get our own. This morning has been so good. Like, nothing too steep, just really gentle rolling hills, and then this is where we get to have our dinner. So we're going to get some food inside and just have a little relax. Although I'd have to say my knee's been a little bit sore, so I've been like trying to massage my leg to kind of ease it off, but it's alright. I'm not going to complain because this is where we get to ride. So yeah, I'm going to have cornflakes. I'm not having bagels today. I think I'm going to have some cornflakes. God, this is boring. You don't need to know this. Show us how you're eating it. Who eats a show?
Me.
Show the camera. Who eats a banana sideways?
Me.
Home sweet home.
Oh, nice spot.
Yeah, it's just there. Got all the windows open, freshening it up.
Ah, okay.
It is a beautiful
It's
spot.
really nice. So I'm just
Having a wrap.
Sorry?
Having another
It's
wrap.
a crisp wrap.
The best kind of wrap.
It's the last of the hummus and the last of the crisps.
Oh, that is the best way of doing
And the
it.
peppermint tea.
I think there's a Tesco here then, isn't it?
Huh? Yeah, we need a Tesco. This is stunning. Why did I not bring wellies?
We'll go for a little
Strolly stroll.
Well,
A paddle? You're going to get in that?
No.
Greg, you are.
What's good?
So we finished the ride, it's about 2:30, so definitely a lot earlier than yesterday. It did rain a little bit, but not at all like we'd expected, because it is Scotland. So yeah, we're going to get some showers and some food, obviously. But yeah, today's route felt a lot steadier. It wasn't as hilly. I think the elevation was similar, but I don't know, it just didn't feel anywhere near as tough. So yeah, nice early day. We're going to go and have a walk on the beach in a little bit and then just relax, and yeah, good day. I'm feeling good. It's so much better than yesterday. I think it's time for
bagel.
I think it's time for a little bagel. And because my legs feel a little bit tight, I think that's why my knees are a little bit sore, so I'm going to get my yoga in. You might have seen my yoga video that I did with the Sufferfest, would have been last week now. So yeah, they've got like a 7-day free trial because they're going to do a 30-day yoga challenge, which I'm taking part in. And I'm going to be doing a bit of yoga every day on my Instagram story, so you can follow me there if you want to have a look. I'll be doing some yoga. But yeah, I'm just going to do a little bit now, 15 minutes. I've got it on the app. So yeah, quick 15 minutes just to give a little bit of a stretch out after today's riding. And there's people looking at us all over thinking, what the hell are they doing with those yoga mats? It's a bit breezy as well, so got to do it though. I'm going to do stretching after suffering, which I've already saved off my offline, so let's get going.
Bring your right ankle to rest on your left knee.
I bet they think we're nuts filming this. I can imagine them looking out the window going, why is he filming her doing yoga?
It isn't weird enough just staring at you, so it's recording as well.
Right, I think I'm done. Where are we?
Waterfalls, which is there.
Yeah.
We're going somewhere up there, I think, aren't we? So this is
Ooh.
6 in the morning. So if you look 6 in the morning, there's barely any wind at all. But let's move on the day a bit.
Sorry to interrupt, but I think the dial may be burning.
It's alright. So all that purple, that's 40 miles an hour happening around there.
What?
That's a storm.
So what time are we thinking of setting off
Come
tomorrow?
towards there.
5 maybe?
Is it okay?
You can't do this on BBC Weather, Richard.
You can cut out the bits you don't want. I think 5 is sensible.
I think 5 is the go-to. I think 5 is doable. I don't think it's too much. Yeah, 5 is...
Potential if we can't hold on to our bikes, we might have to call for a rescue. I reckon.
I've done that before, so...
We've got a rescue vehicle here.